ready to fly to the US of A, but a certain wee lassie would say, oh, no, 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 Geordie Munro, no, 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 my wee laddie, I don't want to go to Idaho, I'd rather stay here in Carfrae.
Now I was determined I'd not stay in Fife, but I wanted that lassie to be my sweet wife.
One day we went for a walk down the glen, and I